If you want to watch live football on your smart TV, the whole process is actually very easy once you know where everything is. Start by turning on your TV and making sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Without an internet connection, none of the streaming apps will load, so this is the first thing to check. If you're not sure whether the TV is connected, open the settings menu and look for the network section. Most TV will show a check mark or a connected status next to your Wi-Fi name. Once you're online, go to your TV's app store. The name depends on your brand. For example, Samsung uses Smart Hub, LG uses the LG Content Store, Android TVs and Google TVs use the Google Play Store, and other brands may label it simply as App Store. No matter the name, all of them work similarly. Open the store and use the search bar. Now type in the name of a streaming service that broadcasts live football. Popular choices include YouTube TV, ESPN, Fubo TV, beIN Sports, or region-specific sports networks. Some TVs also have built-in sports apps that show free channels or live events, so check what's available in your region. Select an app, then download and install it. This usually takes only a few seconds depending on your internet speed. When the installation finishes, open the app. Most apps will ask you to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If not, you can create one directly from the TV or by scanning a QR code on your phone. Several services offer free trials for new users, so you can test them before subscribing. After you're logged in, navigate to the live TV or sports section. Almost all streaming apps organize sports separately to make them easy to find. Browse the list of ongoing or upcoming events until you see the football match you want to watch. Select it, give it a moment to load, and you'll be watching live football on your TV without any extra equipment. If the match doesn't appear right away, try checking different apps, refreshing the live section, or searching for the team name. As long as the streaming service has broadcasting rights for the match, you'll be able to watch it.